What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. And today we're going to be unboxing the Lo-Profx clipper. I've been waiting on this clipper for a while. Glad that it finally dropped, and we can go ahead and get to this unboxing and see what this clipper is all about. It's very hyped up right now, and we'll see if it stands up to the hype. But let's get to this unboxing.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so we got the Lo-Profx. This is the clipper, same packaging style as the Lo-Profx skeleton. I'm sorry, the Lo-Profx trimmer. You can see we got the blueprint type aesthetics to the box, high performance, low profile clipper. And then on this side, you got the Lo-Profx as well as your Lo-Profx on the top. And on the back of this clipper here, we got the specifications for the clipper, of course. And also on the side, we got English, French, and Spanish description of the clipper. The Lo-Profx collection features an ultra-low profile metal shield cover with an ergonomic grip housing on each unit, powered by a high-performance brushless 6,800 RPM motor with a high-capacity 3,300 milliamp lithium-ion battery. The design and power are completed by arming Lo-Profx units with a low-temperature blade. Lo-Profx, the perfect machines for overall field power and cutting performance. So you can see here on the back the specifications. We got the ultra low profile metal shield cover, high performance, high torque brushless motor. We got the lithium ion battery, 2+ hours cordless runtime, it's saying. Also, we got the graphite wedge blade, zero gap adjustable, ultra low friction, extreme durability, low profile temperature, 5-position locking metal taper arm, which is this right here, ergonomic grip housing, dual voltage, and 8 guard attachments that it comes with. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and let you see what is in the contents of the box. So let's pull this out here. It's a little snug. All right, so we got that. I'm gonna put this aside for just a second. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this right here and see what's in here. So we have, of course, you got your charger, and then you have your combs, your guard attachments, the Babyliss 1.5, and so on. Comes with 8 different guards. You got your 0.5, so that's nice to include all of the guards, unlike Wall, which only includes the half guard, 1 and 1.5 guard with their premium clippers. So right here we have the Babyliss oil for your clipper. You have a screwdriver in there, and you have a blade cover and also another brush, which I am sure I'm going to use for color enhancement. That's a nice looking brush right there. But with all this back of the box, you have a user manual as well. I'm not gonna need any of this. So we got our clipper here. It is a notch system for the clipper. It has your taper blade on there. So it looks like a deep tooth taper blade. I'm digging that. I like how it's all blacked out like the Lo-Profx trimmer. You got your on and off switch on the side. And you have a metal housing. It's got a little divot for your thumb and an area for your fingers on the back, making it more ergonomic for you. It is a very, very weighty clipper, which I like that. The Rebel was a little light. Like I said, it felt cheap to me, but that's just because, you know, it's all plastic. But that Rebel is a powerhouse. But we're not here to talk about the Rebel, we're here to talk about the Babyliss Pro FX. And I'm digging, like I said, I'm digging the aesthetics to this clipper. I'm digging the look, I'm digging the feel. It is heavy, like I said. And let's go ahead and turn it on and get a sound test. Now that right there, that sounds powerful. As soon as you turn it on, you can feel the power. So I can't wait to get to chopping with these and you know, see what they cut like. See if they can mold through bulk, see if they could detail and fade nicely. But we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna use it for about a week and give you guys my full honest opinion about these clippers and how they fade, how they cut through bulk, and how they do the overall job, and let you know that if this is a copper drop. But that'll do it for the Babyliss Pro FX unboxing. I will let you guys know how these cut throughout the week. Well, I'm gonna probably use these for a week straight, just these only, and let you guys know what I think about them, whether they're a copper drop, like I said. And honestly, this is just my opinion on all these. But like I said, the best thing for you to do, get a tool, see if you like it yourself, and so on. And I'm gonna give you guys my opinion. I'm gonna give you guys my review of these and let you know what I think. So, but like I said, digging the aesthetics of the clipper, digging the power. I like how powerful these are, how they sound. I like the look of them. So we'll get to it. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Got more videos to come. And until next time, God bless.